Hi! In this video, I will show you how to create a persistent menu for your Facebook and Instagram chatbots. Let's get started. First, go to the Bot Manager at the left sidebar of your dashboard. Select Facebook on the upper switch and choose an account. Click on the Persistent Menu Setting option at the middle bar and then on Create Persistent Menu. In the Local field, select a language from the drop-down menu. Composer input means that the user can write a message in the messaging window of the menu. If you turn this off by selecting Yes, the user cannot type a message. Give the menu title to identify it and finally, choose its content. It can be an URL, for example to your website, or a postback in case you want it to have buttons that trigger certain actions. If this is the case, look for it by name and select it. If you don't have it already, you can create it there by clicking on the Add button under the field. Or, to make it easier, by going to the Postback Manager so you can use the Visual Flow Builder. Check the corresponding video for the steps. When you are done, submit. Now you have to publish the persistent menu. Click on the Options button and, in the drop-down, select Publish Persistent Menu. You can also disable it by tapping on the Remove option here. Submit, and you are done. This is how it looks. The process to create a persistent menu for Instagram is the same. Just make sure to select Instagram in the top switch. Also, there is no Composer Input disabled field. This is how it looks on the DMs. Don't forget to visit our tutorials section to find more information about our tools and how to make the most out of them.